Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get alpha packs in Rainbow Six Siege. Alpha packs are a fantastic way to earn exclusive cosmetic items for your operators, including unique headgear, uniforms, weapon skins, and charms. They add a thrilling element of surprise and customization to your game, allowing you to personalize your favorite characters and weapons. Understanding how to acquire them efficiently can significantly enhance your overall experience. One primary method to earn alpha packs is simply by playing and winning matches. After each victory, you will see your alpha pack chance percentage increase. This percentage accumulates with every win, making it more likely for you to receive a pack. Once you successfully acquire an alpha pack, your chance percentage will reset to a base of 2%, and the cycle begins anew. Beyond earning them through gameplay, you can also purchase alpha packs using Renown, the in-game currency. A single alpha pack typically costs 5,000 Renown, offering a direct way to acquire new cosmetics. For those looking to stock up, bundles of 5 alpha packs are often available for 25,000 Renown, providing a slight discount. This method allows you to use your accumulated Renown for immediate rewards. To maximize your alpha pack acquisition, consistent gameplay is key. Playing regularly ensures you are always increasing your alpha pack chance with each victory. Additionally, completing daily and weekly challenges will grant you bonus Renown, which you can then use to purchase more packs. Finally, consider the Battle Pass, as it often includes several guaranteed alpha packs as tier rewards, offering another reliable source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.